So, paano ba hindi mainis? Pwede ba yun? How not to be vexed? First of all, remember that people are imperfect. Romans 10:103-14, God knows that we are made of dust. I am made of dust, you are made of dust, and when you think of others as also made of dust, meron tayong pagkukunan ng pangunawa, ng pagpapasensya, ng pagpapatawad. Imperfect ang mga tao. So, ang mangyayari niyan, hindi nila laging magagawa yung inaasahan natin gagawin nila. Hindi sila na magiging kasimbuti ng ating inaakala o kaya ay hinahanap kasi imperfect sila. Paano pa hindi mainis? Remember that you would be measured as you measured others. Matthew 7:1-2, don't condemn others. And God won't condemn you.